this one, we're back at Pit Stop Boys, and this time around we're modding the GT3 RS once again. They helped us with the carbon fiber PPF on the hood and the roof, and this time we're going to do stickers. Given that we've got white wheels on the GT3 RS now, I think it's nice to tie it all together with white stickers as well. So now you would ask, why do I come to Pit Stop Boys rather than doing it myself? Well, it's because they have the tools to cut it properly, do the wet install, and that allows us to kind of align things. So we'll see what they're doing in a moment. So let's show you, get into the video right now. All right, so we're in the removal stage of this process. We're removing the stickers that were on there before. They're not the stock stickers. We've had to remove the stock stickers and put third-party stickers on when we did ceramic coating on the car originally when we first purchased the car. So we're removing those stickers and we're putting these AHA graphics stickers on there now. The difference here is we're doing a GT3 RS 992 font style. So it's replacing the 991 style font with a new font. So PH over here is now removing it, and then T-Flow is going to come in and kind of remove a little bit of the ceramic coating around the areas so that the new sticker will stick on nicely. PH has gone for lunch. T-Flow is polishing the area to clear off some carbon ceramic coating, and I'm going to try and peel the sticker off the other side. So let's do it. All right, so we're going to use a little bit of heat and low. A little bit of heat to start it off, and then it'll make it easy for us to sort of peel off a little bit. There you go. And like it was saying, when you peel towards you, peel upwards as opposed to peeling out backwards that way. And that way it will reduce the amount of glue that'll leave behind. Ah, that works really well. Ah, comes off easy. There you go, super easy. I could do this. Tristan, hire me. I'll do this part-time. Easy peasy. Wow, not easy peasy, but hey, this is just stickers. But if you're gonna do anything beyond stickers, it's gonna be a pain in the bum. So I appreciate everything that these guys do, but for sticker work, yeah, I'll do it. Look what.
I just keep it because if we are going to compare anything, that was the reason that I didn't. No man, no.
I thought I was going to help you.
No, that's fine. You are helping me for sure. No, man, that's okay. You know, I still do have the most portion that I wanted.
Shoot.
No.
Fine.
Don't feel bad.
See?
But how about
I have a feeling. Okay, so I guess I didn't quite. Okay, I'm going to stop. I quit. Tristan, I quit.
No, don't quit.
No.
I love the way that you removed that. You didn't leave any glue. So that.
All right. PH was so impressed by what I did, he put me back to work. So let's go. What do y'all think? Should we leave it debadged? It looks good debadged without a GT3 RS sticker in the back. The rear is done. Well, we got to peel off the outer layer, but looks good with the white GT3 RS logo. And here we are. That looks pretty good. Let's go to the other side. Oh yeah. There you go. It ties it all together. White side stickers, white wheels, and white to GT3 RS. It's not 992, but hey, we're going to be pretending to be 992. We're now ceramic coating the wheels as well. Much needed for white. Keep it easy to clean.
This is just my way of refreshing the look of the GT3 RS. I've been itching to swap out into something else, and I know I will regret it if I do trade it in. Changing the stickers, changing the wheels is just one of those ways to refresh the look of the car in my eyes. I'll wrap the video up on this one. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this one, like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.